In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your post on LinkedIn, allowing your viewers to easily access additional resources or references. Whether you're sharing an article, promoting a new product, or simply want to guide your connections to a specific website, adding a clickable link to your LinkedIn posts can be incredibly beneficial. First things first, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to set up a profile to get started. But assuming most of you are familiar with LinkedIn's platform, the login process should be straightforward. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you'll notice a section at the top of your feed that says Start a Post. This is your gateway to sharing insights and updates with your network. Click on Start a Post. This is where you can craft your message. It's a good idea to provide some context or an introduction to why you're sharing the specific link. This not only grabs the attention of your connections, but also gives them a reason to click through. Now, it's time to add your link. You can simply copy your desired URL, whether it's from a news article, a personal blog, or any other website you wish to highlight. Once you've copied that link to your clipboard, go back to your LinkedIn post and paste it directly into the body of your message. As you paste it, LinkedIn's platform will usually generate a preview of the link. This preview can help provide a visual element to your post, making it more engaging. After you've made sure everything looks good and your link is in place, the next and final step is to click the Post button. This is located at the bottom right corner of your post draft box. By hitting Post, your message, along with the clickable link, will be shared with your network. It's important to note that while links provide streamlined access to additional content, the way you frame your post is crucial. Encourage engagement by posing a question or inviting feedback in your post content. Always aim to add value or share information that's relevant to your audience, fostering meaningful interactions within your network. This simple process empowers you to effectively disseminate information and enhance your networking efforts. It enables you to leverage LinkedIn not just as a professional resume, but as a platform for influencing and sharing knowledge. Once you've mastered this, you can make your posts more dynamic, potentially reaching a wider audience with pivotal information. That's it for today. By following these steps, you can easily add a clickable link to your LinkedIn posts, making your online interactions more impactful and informative. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more such tips and tricks.